Hey, so I'm here at Longanecker's Hatchery in Elizabethtown, just right down the street from our office. But yeah, we're here at our neighbor's production facility. Underneath this roof is the hatchery area, production area for the hatchery. Problem is they've had leaks on this roof for a number of years. They've tried to patch it up here and there and get by, but it's time to replace it. A couple of challenges we're facing. The main challenge is because of the sensitive equipment inside, there are actually electrical and air conduits fastened up against the roof deck. We're having to monitor very closely when we go to attach our new system with screws. The customer attached conduit, electrical conduit, like you see here, up against the bottom of the roof deck. You can see it running over through there, right up against the roof deck. We'll have to have a monitor person, a watcher inside, measuring out the distances between the walls and the conduits, and marking on the roof where those things are exactly. Another level of carefulness on our part. And so we're just wanting to make sure that we do a great job for these guys, no downtime, no interruptions. And so we're taking our time and just being careful with each screw we put into the roof. The roof was leaking for quite a while, and you'll see some of these places, a lot of water ponding and water underneath the rubber system, and some of the screws and plates, the fastening plates, are totally rusted out because they've been sitting in water and had moisture on them for so long. This has been a leaky roof. It's been a problem for a long time and needs to be replaced. So we're going to put down a mechanically attached gray TPO roof, so it's a nice light gray material. We're back here. It's the second day of this project, and as we can see, we've gotten all the old roofing torn off, and we've got a good section of new roofing. So we're putting the gray TPO down here. Got about a third of the way over. Got all our insulation laid down. We'll finish out with the new membrane today, and then tomorrow we'll come back and finish out all the details, sealing off the drains and all the penetrations on the roof and so forth. I just went through a couple of details with my foreman here regarding some of the drains and a little bit of unevenness here and there that we're going to take care of. But besides that, it's going according to plan and it's looking great. All right, so I'm out here for the final time during my final inspection. The work has all been completed, and I've got my #1 tool. It looks like something that you stick in your mouth at a dentist's office, but it's actually a probe. So it's a really simple tool, and the purpose is to just run along all of the seams and double check our welds. So I went and did that on all of the seams here. I checked the details, the pitch pockets, the joints, the drains, the kind of out of the ordinary details that we had here, like flashing around a couple of these water outlets that are coming out of the wall, and everything checks out, man. 100%, no issues. I'm just really happy. The membrane's nice and flat, all the welds are tight, the details are right on point, so I'm happy with the crew's work as usual, and these guys will have a great roof with a 20-year no dollar limit warranty.